LTN. Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela. Weche mopondo, weche mopandi inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Ne sigana mamulongi mani, sigandi joluo, jo ajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete ka to bro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN. The best ahead of the rest.
Kaka pile mapoden LTN Luo Trending Nation kuma mopande wanyenyo elela. Kawuono ni endi nitie weche moko mabende wasebedo kwa winjo to chuno koro nyaka waket ka endi ke jomoko wacho no mari to dakise wuoye mari dakise kono mari dakise tango. Omiyo kawuono wan ka endi gi Aungo Wuod Awendo mabende wadhi penjo mabende osebedo ka chandu e mbui kanyo. Apani useneno gik moko karingo left right and center to kapok iyudo gi LTN mano ng'ene gik mapodonge. Kaw adieri makende kawuono LTN Luo Trending Nation. Koke yude ka kata yude kuonde mamoko mago pang'ang'a ka endi me yude kaka en. Be momiyo wan kata ji ne wuoyo tu alenga nikech nwang'eyo ni nyaka wakel jok ma obedo involved. Kawuono ni endi wan gi Aungo Wuod Awendo. An kaka pile podano mari nasho mari chieno jamone mbele chiene mineno mbele miyoko. Kati nyalo wacho no mari dhako ngode ne gichake kore kubni ariyo to pod chwako sitirungi. I'm very happy ni we are remaining with some hundreds. Mondo mi wadonji kachacha endo 36,000. Kopo ni dang wa subscribe mondo mi wadonji 40k wa chop 50, it will be okay. I'll appreciate so much. Koro ensure ni subscribe ne LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Nyakoramogi, be isebedo gi achiedh nade ka ipenjori kama inyalo chwalo lendo magi ne jopiny. Obed lendo mag ohala, lando nyasi kaachiel kod lendo mamoko mathoth. Bas, kik ibed gi kionko moro amora ni mar LTN Luo Trending Nation ni ka nikech in. Wan kod jolendo man gi oteku kendo nigi lony mamalo mar chwalo ni lendo meki ne oganda. Ne ler mathoth tudri kodwa e nembniwa magin 07 1 9 2 3 4 kata 07 02 39 55 62 kata 07 68 21 42 bende nyalo oronwa ote e luotrendingnation@gmail.com. Lendo manimba managi LTN Luo Trending Nation. Mondi yudisikiza tune mar lweny mare mogo kod Feni Oyugi D-Star aboro 12 star 784 hash. To set lweny mare by Feni Oyugi as you skiza tune, dial star 812 star 784 hash. Oteni usuni kod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Nyakoramogi, kaki ngepile ni LTN is the best ahead of the rest. Tinda wachoka chichapile ni LTN, the best ahead of the rest. Nyiso ni wane mwatelo kasto jok mudo luo bang'wa. Omiyo kaluwore gi wach ma trend no endo, wasebiro ka wach Aungo Wuod Awendo, wasebiro mondo mi watel nu kasto joma kopoa okaw from there. Wan ka indika Aungo Wuod Awendo we amiye thuolo ni mondo be omoswa. Aungo Wuod Awendo machine. Kaw thuolo ni kong mos jopiny. Duonde ni piny sana kwa sababu ina sawa. No, it has been so long nyaka ne wawuok kodi ka mabe timo launching like things osebedo ka timore diere kanyo no endo. Koro ing'eni jok moko ang'eyo osebedo ka misi dhoni naneno clip moro ka ni iwuoyo ka echa endo apani gineno kiwuono machiegni kasto thum be drop nwa kanyo no endo. Gik moko dhi nade generally?
Moko dhi masawa. Masawa kabisa.
Nena
Nilana ko sawa. Ngema.
Gin gi sube betu.
Hapa ni sube ngema.
Paro. Paro ko so ngema. Sani kono penjo the way about
hapa no ngema. Hapa no ngema. Ngeni adoka nila kipenjo kinaonya kabetishwa no.
Don't waneno. Okay, wanene mbui. Ka ji wacho maber kabisa ni sube betu koro rit nyathi. Koro ing'eni kikona nene lan ngima tang'ene mana butre kanyo sube betu ka ngima.
Ati sube betu koro timano.
Don't rit nyathi. Kosona ng'eyo. That is what is going on there. Omiyo wan kaka LTN nyaka wakel negi. Koro ing'eni kwa chaka gi whereabout mar jogi. Teacher ki idhiro ng'ata achiel ne paro. So we have to ask several questions.
Koro. Gik mang'eny oseneno. Hapa ni ng'ama mosecho magamo Kenya ni. Ndio mosepenja bendo gik mane. Koro ine mada mondi penja ni penjo na monda duo.
Okay, and to corona they direct to the point, being that ne en gimo setemore. Okay, mbui kacha nitiere gik madhi mbele sani. Sana kindu kod papati. Iwacho ni super betu ni yuri. The papati osebedo oche for some time. Mabende nwanene kata mana liel kanyo no endo. Wicho wachore achiel ariyo adek, but ong'ama koro nwang'eyo ni macha wanyalo wacho ni sangini donge nikech okawo yuori kaka ikete kanyo no endo unless ni i-clarify no kawuono. And recently weche moko osebet kanyo ni un kaka un gi papati uywaru to but ularo mana su bebetu mabende hapa ni jochi golwe moro kanyo wacho ni Nyamigori pani en gi 5 days ago na nene YouTube kacha chendo bed we aneno kotimo maber ne ng'ama poko dhi mbui kacha mondo bende omany wenda Aungo ne kanyo no endo. Koro mane gimo wabiro ka endi mondo me clarify ne jopiny ne bwana.
Koro mondo me clarify ne jopiny. Ong'ari anga chalo ng'ama nyalo mero ng'ato daro.
It has not been your character since as sebedu kang'ei ka osiepna for some time. But koro sama gik moko wuok to koro
nyakipenji mar penjo. Lakini kineno maber ok an ng'ama nyama ng'ato nyalo. Kata ng'ama nyama ng'ato dhako.
Yeah.
One, niko na taste.
Okay.
Two, I have my own respect. Okay. 3, I don't just jump from one relationship to another.
Yeah.
Okay. So a lot has been said. And again, mimi pia nilikuwa naziona hapo Facebook. And being that my Facebook is being managed by someone else, I just let them do their job. Okay.
Yeah.
It was their work too. But now when it comes to my personal life, apani sama jodo goneno kakora buye wachni nen sama I recorded a video. And I think a lot of people called me after recording that video, wakaniambia, oh, you need to calm down. Just 1 minute. Yaberingade 1 minute. Kuro hapa ni maana kakata hivi neno kabwe waje.
Ni record a video kendo. We are calling mafani. You people were recording a video and ngata ni. Oh, msanii wetu. Oh, nimesikia ujamaa wenu. Kura kene ngata kwenda nini unokunu wetu. Kura kene yini mara samani wacheni ati nimesikia msanii wenu. Yini na ng'onwa kechime inwasan in msanii.
I think
yeah, we're not.
Okay. I think I wasn't ready to talk about this now.
Okay.
But now that you are here, people have come. I just need to clarify on something.
Yeah.
One, a lot has been said.
Mangen.
And again, a lot has already happened.
And a lot of them are truth and a lot of them are lies. So we are here to clarify.
I don't know if they are truth or lies.
Okay.
But one day,
but just clarify for us.
Whatever pissed me off on that day was him addressing me, mentioning my late wife's name in all this shit.
Where him is?
The other guy.
Aungo bwana lungu no give me lungu. Go him, yeah.
So, that's what really pissed me off. You've always known me as an humble guy, a humble man.
Yeah.
I don't want to say that he's not humble or he's bad. I know wherever he is also. He knows very well whatever pissed me off. But now let me just be somehow. You've always seen the kind of ladies I do date. I have class.
Kwanza ndio jo makali.
I have class and I have taste too.
I want to joke gigi. Gani wacho ni ange dress ni bwana. Joke wacho joke chudo ka kumwai.
I don't just date for the sake of dating.
Yeah.
Okay. And now that there is a baby here, I should just be keen when selecting on someone
that you wanna date.
Because even right now I'm not ready to date. Me, sincerely speaking, if it's a lady now, I think we should just move in together. Because I'm not that type of a man who will date you for that long.
Ijara.
Aukajaraba, lakini I don't know how to date ladies for long. Because I'm not that type. Mimi nikipatana mwanamke mmoja, kama ni wakukaa akae, kama si wakukaa aende. Okay. Yeah, so
it means that you have to be very careful because the person that you are dating may come to be the wife.
Yeah. So I'm always keen when selecting on a lady.
Okay.
Yeah.
Generally, I'm not going to watch any cordial you people are cloud chasing together. Maybe it is an agreement that you came. You watching Bwana Papa. Wende wakoro mondo ni push. Goal gini ne atemu kama tamba gine mondo mwachwake. Because kama ne kaka cordial loka.
Niliona. Na niliona hata social media. Me, I don't do cloud chasing.
You don't cloud chase?
I don't cloud chase. My music will sell whether I don't cloud chase or
you cloud chase.
Yeah, but I'm not that man who can cloud chase. So when all these things started, I think I just took a photo in my shemeji, of which picha yenye nilichukua na shemeji yangu ilipataka niko Kisumu. I was hurted. Juu unajua papa kukana huyu mwanamke kama kukana Su ni kama alitoka kwangu.
Sio ni kama alikuwa hapa.
Su alitoka kwangu akienda kukana huyu. Unaona? So wao kuka pamoja. I also sat down na niliona vitu zenye zilikuwa zina happen on social media. So I called her. She never picked. Then I texted her on WhatsApp. Nikamwambia, I've seen a lot of things happening on social media. What's really going on? As a brother, akaniambia ukweli, nikamwambia it's okay if you people have separated or if you people are no longer together. Just relax a little bit. Relax your mind.
So it was this time that you were in Kisumu, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
My concern was venye shemeji yangu wako sasa. With that kind of stress. Wewe uliona vitu zenye zilikuwa zina happen social media. And I think nilimwambia hata nitakuja Kisumu nikifika. I'll talk to you people. Unfortunately, mimi kufika Kisumu, I didn't meet the guy. So from hapo nikatoka na shemeji yangu tukaenda kukula lunch kwa pastor wetu. From there picha ikapigwa. Picha ikaanza kutrend. Manze wakaanza kutuwish congratulations. Watu wakaandika hapo congrats.
And when you people were taking this photo, was it intentionally maybe to heartbreak Papati, or it was just like you've met the person that you know you've taken so long before you meet, and so you are just
actually we taking that photo was to market the hotel where we went to take our lunch.
So at least the people can see, okay,
yes,
who came here.
So goes to that place.
Oh, ni hapa.
Yeah.
Ni hapa ndo wale. Yeah. So it's making sense. By the way.
So that was the purpose of taking that photo.
Okay.
But later, things
changed. People altered everything.
Yeah,
the title was different.
Yeah.
Okay.
So being that mimi na social media handles zangu, mimi place unaweza nipata ni WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, okay.
Facebook na TikTok unaweza nipata tu live. Hizo vitu zingine za kupost. Niko na team yangu inakuwa wanapost. So baadaye nikaona hizo vitu zinaanza kutoka, zinaanza kwenda sana. Mimi nilikuwa nataka tuikatize iishe tu hiyo. But again niliona the other person anataka
Sema tu uliona Papati au
alikuwa anataka kutoa ngoma. Nikamwambia tu watu wangu it's okay. Now that watu wameanza kuongea hivi, let's also just give him my platform. Atoe hiyo ngoma. Sincerely speaking, mimi sikuwa nataka hata kutoa ngoma. I never had that in mind. Then nikasikia venye jamaa aliongea nikasema it's okay, so mimi nimekupa platform yangu, then wewe pia inafika pale unani judge
ni kama anakudharau sana.
Nikasema okay, it's okay, niko na ngoma mingi, acha niweke hii ngoma, of which najua watu wengi wamekuwa kidhani nilitolea Su ngoma. No,
you heard that song Nyamigori
kitambo sana.
Si eti wakati mlianza hizi mvurugano mtandaoni
nilikuwa na hiyo song kutoka kitambo sana, and I think whoever paid me to do that song ni client wangu
Nyamigori. Anaitwa Nyamigori. So it is coincidence.
It is coincidence that the situation
the other lady is also Nyamigori.
Yeah, but now venye niliona hii kitu inaendelea, the other person was now taking advantage of it. Hakuwa anajua mimi naumia, the other person is also anaumia. Familia tena wanaumia. Na juu ya brand yangu tena nikasema wacha nitoe ngoma ikelele iisha. And I think after nilitoa ngoma
you've been quiet.
Kelele imeisha. So sasa ndo ushaiona watu wanaongelelea about this thing again.
No. Now the topic has really changed. It's now not all about Papati and Aungo Awendo. Now they are cloud chasing instead of giving us quality music. That's what they're saying.
So that's what they are saying. So one thing I have to clarify for them, I don't cloud chase.
And just to take you back a little bit behind, this is like we can call her your daughter because this lady was here with you.
Yeah.
And
Gik mabeyo ngima wa gin jogo ma wahero, kuonde ma wasebedo kanyakla kod kinde ma wakadhoe kodgi. Be hikori mar paro kinde ni e yorno manyangafu. Kik chunyigo kibikibi ni mar The Nash Pictures sani timo photography, videography kod graphic designs manigi siso mamalo. Obed arus, obed nyasi moyiedhi, hingo odiochienge kaka mag nyuol, mago duto watimo e bwo ot achiel. Chunyi osegombo logo mawuoyo gi nyadhi, posta maywayo ji machiegni, kik chandi, riekowa ni ka mar miyo paroni duto ngima manyien. Yudwa e YouTube, Facebook kata yuanwa uno e nambawa ma en 07 11 92 32 74. The Nash Pictures, waparoni kinde, kendo wandiko sigana.
Kuna mtu anasema ati mimi si agency. Ati mimi ni mkubwa sana, mimi si agency. Mimi si agency, ulinisa.
Mondi yudisikiza tuni mar Gen Z mawach kod Mr. Mbalamwezi. D-Star, aboro achiel star, 9 #.
Unajua nini mwaka yangu? Mimi si agency. Sitaki hiyo mchezo bwana. Mimi usikai agency.
To set Gen Z by Mr. Mbalamwezi as your skiza tune. Dial *811 *936 #.
Tulizaliwa na wewe. Unajua quit. Sasa mchezo bwana, mimi ni Gen Z 001. Sisi tunaenda maandamano mapema. Sisi Gen Z.
Oteni usinikod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Nyakora moge ne podwan e break kanyo matin, podwan ka indigi Aungo Wuod Awendo mabende kelo no wachni achiel kachiel, ibede nyalo wachiane kaka inene kanyo no endo. Samoro nitiere kaka imbende iwinjo kata imbende nitie kaka ineno kako ni bedi. Hapa ni winjo maber kabisa. Ka Aungo temo lero nwa kanyo. Akiani be iwinjo ka dieri ni iye koso nitie kako labda obadho kumoro kanyo. Iwinjo maber ko wacho ni en chutho noonge gi kata mana paro mar golo wer kaka koro ji wacho kanyo no endo. En mani koro wer duogo wuok kaluwore gi gik matimore, kaluwore gi gik mawachore, wer nen gima nosegolo chon. And then unge maber ni su Bebeto kata su Nyamigori nen nyamin jaber nyaronagi mabende apane kata mondo mi ji chak nene gi jaber nyaronagi kagin kaendi kaka sani ane Odaungo be mana timone kata mana su Nyamigori no endo ilungo ni interview. Omiyo en no chipin mana kaka yure makasto weche godhi obedo kamano no endo. En mani sani koro ji odhi okete ni nen cloud chase gima chalo kamano no endo, but on your side imbende inyalo konowa. Igene wane ot koro kineno ka ng'ato kalo kama samoro inyalo elewo nikech ok wan e studio. Koro kineno ka ng'ato kalo kama endi imbende elewo. Wan ka endi pod wan gi Aungo Wuod Awendo. Aungo ne wadhi break ka endo. Aneno ka ji wacho ni mari to kawuono ng'awo kezongo manare ni endi. I just want to tell you that LTN is an international channel, but umwana na winjo ka president wacho kacha ni sane en international artist yose chako wacho kare mi wauru ng'ato nikech ng'ano osedhi international. Mano is just a joke. Kiko wacho ni LTN osechopo international koro but it's just a joke anyway. Ingeni samoro bende ber kaka wan joko nagi ka wabonjo matin. Aungo wendo no we samoro di break kendo no wacho gi kazungu sana. Ni inga maber ne super bet wanyalo wacho ni en kaka nyari in quotes nikech ong'ama ikuza, ong'ama ne nie odi kaendi, ong'ama wanyalo wacho ni kane poni ati ni ichiwo kata yie kane wan Nairobi ka to chiko yie mondo kata papa tine nyalo kela yie gi kaendi nikech nokawe gi ot kaendi. Iyudo maber kabisa. Samane weche gi wuok te makoro isewinjo ni ok ber ahinya. In kaka Aungo Wuod Awendo nonigi kaw kata chance moro bi gochne papati bang' ka ise wuoyo gi Su ikone ni bwana winjo magi matok ber to kata this time mini dhi Kisumu dong they create your time not only to meet with Su but also to get your fellow papati mabende wanyalo wacho ni sangini to bende un brothers kwa dok koreto.
I wish I could. Unajua mimi ni mtu najiheshimu. Then one. Anyalo ga wuoyo kodi mokwongo mar ariyo. Mar adek aneno ga giwang'a. Iwinjo. Aparo ni sama gigi nochakore te.
Yeah.
You've always known me and Kido. We are one thing. Kido tried reaching out to the guy. His response was, okochuno ni nyaka dagi nyaminu no unyabiro kawe. Iwinjo. That statement itself, I felt it.
Okochuno na dagi nyaminu. Unyalo mana be biro kawe.
I felt that statement.
Mano ne ungi Kido jaugani.
To noka wuoyo, mimi nilinyamaza tu. Kech nitire chien kacha natemo ga wuoyo na dong jaricho. Kora ng'iyo ga giwang'a. Nitire chien ga natemo wuoyo ma weche noduogo wachore na sehere onyako no. Tawacho ni wawa. Kare watimna nani? Awera ga ne giwang'a.
Yeah.
So, to those of you who've been thinking that I've been dating Su, not exactly. And now I just want to make this clear. I'm not dating Su. Okay? The only thing between me and Su is that we are related.
Of which everyone knows, yeah.
Of which everyone knows. She is my same age. And that's the only thing between us. I'm not dating her.
But ingene kaluri kakiwoyo, this thing is very true. We can relate. It has a storyline from how it started. Nok gen mabera yenye dak, by the way, mano to nobiro kata social media kacha chaendo. Anyalo paro kata mana nitie nyako moro mabende nogocho na mokona ne bwana we watch papa tita kwene I cannot talk about it myself unless I have full evidence. Unawacho ni papa tiko se madonjaga to chando Su keo otimo ne madharau gi nyiri, something of that kind. And I said one kaka LTN we need tangible evidence or in me wacho no biwo mondo nkech in at least you can explain one or two to no luru bire kamera and then iwacho maber ni consult kaka wuod ma idhe mugocho ne gi Kido ne mono oduoko marach. But according to what Su Bebeto said one day ko biro live no wacho ni picha ni mwana nogo kechini wacho ni nego picha kidhi Kisumu mar Land Hotel just recently here mabende pokibudho nyaka ni duog Nairobi. Apani be osemono wa kela Aungo live nyocha endala kaka no ya Kisumu to the dala timo shughuli ni achiel ariyo adek. So he has not been within Nairobi. So nowacho ni pichni ka maka gik mane ugo chon ka nyamin gi pod ngima. Koro ing'eni nyiso ni gimiwacho gi gima suwacho pogore.
She was right. Kano wacho ni pichni ne wagoyo ka nyamin gi pod ngima. Pichni moduogo trend, pichni wagi suoduogo trend mang'eny. Apart from achiel mane
ugoyo
anyulo post. Ka wadhi chiemo dignitaries. Okay? Koro mamoko go to nogo chon. Iwinjo. Mamoko go nogo chon.
Yeah.
But Omar, I just want to tell you one thing. You are a man.
Yeah.
I'm a man.
Yeah.
In life, at times, when a friend came to you akuambie bro, hapa na hapa ufanye vizuri, learn to listen. Not everyone will come to you to tell you that. A lot of people watataka to your downfall.
It's true.
But when you find that one man or
that
one friend
that can tell you
the truth right in front of you,
yeah, that's a friend to keep.
That's a friend to keep. Okay. So I just want to wish them well. I think from this, the whole thing that happened, he has learned it the hard way. He has learned it the hard way because he was almost losing his marriage. Okay? He has learned it the hard way, of which I never wanted it to be that way. Yeah. Omari, the only advice I can give my brother-in-law, we are not enemies. Okay? We are not enemies. We are friends. And being that we are in the same industry, I understand that we are doing art. And art entails a lot of things. But when it comes to issues to do with marriage, someone needs to be wise.
Yeah.
Okay? When it comes to issues to do with marriage, one just need to be.
To apply some wisdom.
Yeah. Omari, I was taught one thing when I was young. And this thing I've seen it happening to a lot of my friends. Bro, you'll get a lady who love you genuinely. She'll love you for who you are. She'll love you no matter how bad you treat her. She'll still be submissive and she'll still show you love. Not that she's a fool.
No.
They were born that way. But the moment atachoka na aondoke, you'll never see her back. We have those kind of women. They always love genuinely. You'll mistreat them. You'll treat them bad. But the moment they will just decide to walk out of your life,
They'll never come back.
they'll never come back.
But according to your description, actually you are saying a very right thing. Otherwise, from this instance or from what happened, people are describing your how do we call her? Sue. People are calling Sue to be harlot. They describe her that way because maybe they are looking at her as if now she's double dealing men, or she's jumping from one man to another. So like in Luo they say Ojapa. You know?
Omari, I'll clarify that.
The director watching it.
Sue is not that bad. Okay? So I'll just clarify on that. Sue is not that bad. And she's not that kind of a lady who'll just jump from one man to another.
Yeah.
She has respect for herself. Okay? Anajiheshimu. Okay? Anajiheshimu na tena anajiheshimu kabisa. I know a lot of people will judge her depending with whatever is happening or whatever has been happening.
Yeah.
But let me tell you one thing. That lady loves Papa T genuinely. She loves him for who he is, not for what he does.
No.
Okay? Lakini wakati unacheza na unakuja unacheza na pesa karibu na choo, mwenzangu ikianguka ndani hautaiona
tena. Nakuelewa.
You can't gamble gold with a diamond. One has value than the other one. Okay?
Yeah.
So the moment you want to gamble with someone who loves you, unapotoka.
I get it right.
Okay? How I wish
Kauna bere bebina tutinanya tia sembe mulevo bere timanade
mondi udisikiza tuni mar mili nyara sembo mogo koda miso thwango D-Star aboro auchiel nono star ang'wen nachiel auchiel hash
ingena eri maradieri bagima nene chwanya kodi anono gina biro ng'eyo
to set mili nyara sembo baya miso thwango asiwasikiza tune dial star 860 star 416 hash
katome mane chwanyo baby made mewea kata tuma biro weyo
Oteni usuni kod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
how I wish my younger brother Papa T would just sit down and listen. Okay? How I just wish. Ang'eyo ni kata en asewinjo kowacho ni asero jaode. But anto nyinga nosekethore.
Igone?
An nyinga nosekethore.
Sari ok defend nyingi.
Nyinga nosekethore.
En kuno se wuore.
Maricho manowache wiya awene. Embende maricho manowache wiya otimre nade? Owena. But ka gombo mara obedie piny to samoro owinjiega gik moko kikone.
By the way, ji okawo Papa T ni okawo ng'ama listen to advices. Koro ing'eni in michiegni kode. Ing'eni samoro at least onyalo listen.
Owinjiega gik moko. Ineno? To samo winje to kata kok odwa tiyo godo to miya owinja bang'e ningeche dhako ka dhako bro bire ngimani ge hape kiki par ni hawi machieng ni godo e hawi manyango bro bedo go te hawi matino be bro bedo go dhako ka dhako biro ga e keny ge hape.
Yeah.
So the moment you are growing, oking'eyo ni ang'o momiyo grow. Samoro dhako ni sami wuok midhi e job ni cha olemo ni ka gi Nyasache.
samoro bengi that natural star.
Yeah.
Bire ge nyota ne.
Manyota neno e mangai ngimani.
It is true.
Nyako noere.
To walo.
Oko wal, nyako noere. And adier makende, ginyalo dak maber. Lakini kogolo wi usanicha e wiye. Neno usani ma en ge wiyecha. Usanicha obedo go e papoko. To koduoge ot, obed gi usani. Obed dichwo.
So the only problem is that maybe he don't know how to balance between a husband and an artist.
He's young. He's still young. Actually, Papa T and Sue, they are young. I think those two are just born 2000 here. So they are still young. Okay?
Both Sue and...
they are still young. And they need guidance. Lakini mimi ufikanga pahali nikichoka siongelelei tena. And the moment nimeacha kuongelelea na kuanga mbaya. Sijui kama unanielewa.
I'm getting you very well, yeah.
Because now you see this lady here, she was the firstborn kwa hiyo familia yao.
Ya kamera benenu lady no.
She was the firstborn kwa hiyo familia yao. Okay? So hata kama alikufa akatuacha, now I'm one of that family.
You've become part and parcel.
Yeah.
Because there is nothing that will happen without you being involved.
Yeah. Okay? So akaitu chini. Asijione usuperstar. Usuperstar uisha. Nilisikia akisema yeye ametrend. Yeye atatrend bado, atazidi kutrend. With that mentality, it's not easy. But I just wish him well. People will just get used to his clouds and they'll never give him attention again.
So on his side, it was cloud chasing.
Yeah,
so he was using you.
So he should just come up with another idea. Okay? He should just come up with another idea. Ajimarket vizuri. I want him to build a brand. Jo akifaulu kimaisha, nimefaulu. The same way Sue akifaulu kimaisha, nimefaulu. Omari, I can even tell you right now. There is a deal I was to be given. I preferred my shemeji achukue hiyo opportunity. Okay? But the moment nilikuja nikasikia ati Papatia nasema na katia mke wake,
you withdraw.
Okay? So it's like me, I just want to see them prospering, but on the other side mi ndo nakuwa mbaya. Okay? So na mimi sitaki kuwa mbaya. And what Papati should know, I have a beautiful lady somewhere.
Huh? Papati sikia hii. Eti?
Okay, I have a beautiful lady somewhere and I don't have time to seduce his wife. Okay? And I usually don't date for the sake of dating. Na hiyo hata nilisema tukianza.
Exactly, you said.
Okay? And I think hata nikitoa wangu sasa tuende kwa kiwanja tuone nani mrembo manze.
Mando koroka ta yuri uone mara.
Oka uone yura. Kuna venye alini address, kuna venye papa alini address. I really felt bad. Unajua, however much you have differences with your fellow,
yeah,
you shouldn't mention jina ya mwenye ashafariki. Na utu tu wasichana wenye na mwananga nazo akipost hapa Facebook. Manze. Ani watoto wadogo, mimi hata siwezi kaa nao. Ani wasichana wadogo. Wadogo wao. Okay?
Wadogo
wao. Mimi nina mrembo wangu mahali. And I think when the right time comes, I'll just introduce her to the people.
You have a fiancé already?
And she's more beautiful, manze. Wow.
Aungo say beautiful one. Ay, Aungo, yeah. Aungo kitako Awendo, yeah. Aungo tamatanga Awendo waje.
Okay? And she's more beautiful, okay? So wakati mtu amekuheshimu, wewe pia mheshimu tu.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Mtu akikuheshimu, wewe mheshimu tu.
No.
However much you think that you are ahead of him, I think the only thing that is making him ahead of me is subscribers on YouTube. Hakuna kitu kingine ako nayo ahead of me.
But you know, we also check numbers. Like now, we cannot say that LTN is ahead of Obina TV, for example. And Obina TV is over 200 plus. Okay,
that's why nimesema the only thing that is making him ahead of me ni subscribers wa YouTube.
But you need to accept me. Though he's ahead.
No, he's not ahead of me, bro.
Subscribers.
Yes, subscribers amenishinda nayo, yes. For instance, how much is he earning from YouTube? Anaweza kuwa na subscribers mingi na mimi na earn more than him on YouTube because I'm wise. I know what social media is. And I know how it pays. So he can have all those subscribers.
It means that you know how to channel and collect your revenue from social media.
You know, once you are an artist, you are also a content creator.
Yeah, because what you put there is a content.
Is a content.
Yeah. I get it.
Okay? So that's why wakati hii issue ilikuwa inaendelea, mimi nilieka ngoma yangu. Inafanya vizuri ama ifanyi vizuri?
Inafanya vizuri, by the way. I saw it.
Wao wanganganie kuingia trending. Waingie trending.
With you are earning.
Si wao wanangangania trending. Mimi nangangania do manzi. I joined the industry to make money.
Ngatumanyo nying, yini manyo chak.
After all, I have a kid. Mwenye hakuna mtu atanisaidia kumlisha.
It is true.
Okay? Hakuna mtu atanisaidia kumlisha. Ni mimi tu sasa.
Yeah.
Mamake angekuwa hai ni sawa. Lakini sasa it's me now. I'm the mother and the father.
Yeah.
Because the other person who I've also talked about hayuko bado. Lakini when the right time comes. Okay?
Yeah, okay. All right.
Na nilisikia watu wengine wakasema watu wengine tena walikuwa nasema Ungo chukua tu shemeji yako, msichana mwingine hawezi akalinda Nilan vizuri. Man, let me tell you one thing. Ikifika pale mimi nachagua mwingine. Najua first I have to see the relationship between the new lady and the kid. That's number one. However much I love her, but lazima kwanza niangalie relationship between him and the kid. Between her and the kid, okay? Hiyo ni kitu lazima niangalie kwanza.
Yeah.
After hapo ndo nitamua huyu naweza kanaye.
Yeah.
Huyu si wa kukanaye. Unaona? Because huyo mtoi nikimwona naona mamake. Then again at this moment again mwenye nitatafuta mtu pia ananiheshimu na anaheshimu my late wife. She should also respect the fact that someone was there before
her.
Yeah. Okay? So I have a lot of things to look at.
You don't just look at Nyash.
Yeah, mimi si wanyash wewe unajua vizuri. So Omari manegi makoro jibenyakange. Makelo negino. Emagiti menani? Emagikao. To ginge maber ni sama sekele no. Kinde gi nyathina to koro ler moloyo kaka giparo no.
Hapa ni Aungo lero gini in kanye mokiwinjo nikech an on my side tawinjo ni en sawa, though ne anto pok akawo time na mondo mi agoch ne papati, but maybe abiro manye soon. Onego bedni adhi kachero rayo Kisumu to ang'eni one of the two, it is either Su or papati mondo mi bende okelna gini, but gisani to wanyalo wacho ni Su gi papa odogore, nitie kaka ne gise solve achiel ariyo.
Issues wa solve, wako pamoja, wanakaa pamoja,
Yeah.
okay. Though kitu najua najua watu wengi wanadhani mimi na papati ni maadui. We are not enemies. Okay. In fact we are friends, na hata hiyo time tulifanya videos we later come tukaongea. Unaona?
Yeah.
Si tulirudi tukaongea.
Yeah.
And we make fun of each other. Na hapo ndo nikamwambia hii kitu place imefika.
Yeah.
Wacha izame.
So everything was solved. Everything is okay now.
Yeah. Unaona? I think for you people to confirm that we have no grudge. Ama hatupigani. Yale yalitendeka. Bro, I'm always a humble guy. Unanijua vizuri. Si ndio? Unanijua vizuri.
Yeah.
Unaona? Hapa sisi tunacheka. Ili kwa Monday sisi tulikuwa tunacheka. Akaniambia, "Oh, the platform ulipata." Mpia nikamwambia, "Okay, thank you Maduka Nyiseni. Keep winning." Maduka Nyiseni, I wish you well in your upcoming track. Okay? So mimi ni mtu naweza nikosea saa hizi nikasirike, baadaye tunaongea. So mjue tu mimi sina ubaya na mtu yeyote. And again, whatever happened, kama tuliwakosea, whoever our actions, whoever our words ilifanya tu unfollow or ukatu block, ama uliona tuko na utoto, let me apologize. Mimi kwanza wacha ni apologize, nimeomba msamaha kwa mafans wangu wenye waliona nimewadisappoint.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry for that. Then now let me apologize on behalf of Papati's family. Papati and Su. Mtu yote wenye Papati na Su amewahi kuwakosea kwa maisha.
Yeah.
Tafadhali muwasamehe. And let's all wish them well. Waishi pamoja, waishi na amani na nidhamu.
Alright.
We want to see them prospering.
Alright.
Aya.
Mani lungo na ungo ura wenda ungo machine. Aungo we mi agini nyaka bejo piny ng'e to ang'o mi konwa shows mage mantiere like program mane, because jopiny to kata nyoche kigolo thum, they would want to be updated. Ang'o matimore koro next nisegolo thum ni nena.
Kitu inatendeka ni Omari kutoka nifanye launching. Sijai kuwa na shows mingi sana. And I think wewe umeona. I've not been that healthy somehow.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've been having some health issues.
Issues, yeah.
Okay.
Jua baridi iliniingia, so hata ukisikia venye naongea saa hizi.
Close that door please.
Ukisikia venye naongea saa hizi utagundua tu. Okay? But have recovered. Nimepona hata actually hiyo ndo kitu ilifanya nikaenda home. Yeah.
So by the time all these things were happening, at the same time you were also sick.
Yeah, I wasn't well. I wasn't feeling well. Okay. So, but right now I'm feeling well. Okay. I've not been feeling well, but right now I'm okay. Tumeanza shows zetu, and I think I'll also introduce my manager to my fans, ndo wajue manager wangu ni nani. Tuendelee kufanya kazi.
When should we come? Because people really want to know, and as LTN we would also be very happy when these people know your manager and they can contact
Omari,
you.
I'll give you a call when I'm ready to introduce him.
your team.
Yeah, when he is also ready. Okay. Though we are ready, we are both ready, but we need
you have to schedule everything.
Yeah, we just need to lay good foundations first, okay? Then again, I'll also give you a call once nimekutana na Papating na shemeji yako.
All right.
I think soon we're going to meet me, Sue, Papating, and my fiancé.
Within Nairobi?
Usitake kujua.
Nyakoromogi, winjo kaka ne chalo kanyo no endo, wan ga Aungo Wuod Awendo. Aungo an pok ni onjo ga duondi e shona, duond onjna matin kawuono. Ang'eni ka wacha ma onjo to wacho ni mani sitieko kora weni mano. Kawuono kadwa.
Duonda ong'akore kawuono.
Okinya onjo na kata Nyamigori matin. Okinya onjo na kata Nyamigori matin. Nyamigori. Matin tu.
Nyathi Migori tae renge mana mama.
You guys, thank you so much. Continue subscribing Luod Trending Nation. Go to Ahungo's page. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Umesikia anasema vizuri kuwa unajua Papati bado ametangulia kwa sababu amemshinda na subscription. Lakini amesema huko kwingine labda anaweka akona ilungu ni makoto kwa silungu ni makoto chilungu na keje itiki mara dola chikanya enda
kike Kiswahili tu wacho na
Kiswahili ng'eyo mano kunomol
awachwage kizungu.
It's not okay. Aungo is trying to say that maybe sometimes you can have a lot of subscription but you are getting a penny. You get it? That's what I wanted to say. But on his side maybe he will tell us behind bars, leave alone behind camera, behind bars. He will tell us maybe some of them. As you know, always know. Aungo, do you have something to say or maybe your remarks before we call it off? Before we...
My remarks, muzidi kutu support. Muni support, you support my family. Papati's family is my family now. Mimi ndo mkubwa sasa, yeye mdogo wangu, sawa? So, muni supporting. I think he'll be releasing a track dubbed inaitwaje? Paralokore. Yeah, akitoa ngoma muingie pale mumsupport.
Hiyo Paralokore bado haijakuwa release.
Ataitoa date 16th. Okay, so muingie pale mumsupport tena wenye mulini support yeye pia mumsupport. And to them I wish them all the best. I wish them luck in their relationship, in their marriage. Okay? Na tunazidi kuwaombea wakae na amani. Au sio?
Ni hivyo.
Fresh.
Alright, Nyakoromogi, kaki winjo kanyono endo. We are lor mae, mundu kona neka be podu inja malera inya kanyono endo. Nyakoromogi, kaki winjo kanyono, ma podi luongo ne Luod Trending Nation ne wan ka endege Aungo Wuod Awendo, Aungo Machine. Winjo kaka wako kode mbaka kanyono endo. Wano kwa team interviews, wano wago mbaka. Winjo mane mumi wenya logo mbaka gaungo kawuono kinyi wago mbaka. Wache ni bwana tukelo no ngata chiela all the time, no? Because you know LTN we always lead as others follow. Kaka Prince Inda no se wacho, wacho ne the best ahead of the rest. Koro jok ngata mineno ka timo gima chalo mwatimo ne piny luo. Mago ng'eni ati ning'e watok gi luo kama ende. Mebiro koda inyalo konwa e comment section kanyo endo kata through number wa. Iwinjo nango ina dieri mane meyodo. Kanyi mokiwinjo maber medwa ni waduogi. Mebedo koda kendo mapuru mari nacho mari cheno jamune mbele. Chiene mineno mbele miyoko.
LTN Luod Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela. Weche mopondo, weche mopandi inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Ne sigana mamulongi mani, sigandi joluo, jo ajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'e ane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundho ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yud wechegi kamora mora ma intie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kae. Kete mana kokidwa kete ka to wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN. The best ahead of the rest.
Nyikwara Mogi. Ma iluongo ni Basil Ojijo. CEO, founder, creative director mar Makoteko Look, the fashion line. I watch Luo Trending Nation. Luo Trending Nation by Omari Nash. Kai kama iyude dieri makende inyenyo elela. Eruru kamana.